For the populace of Malusu, we currently have 80% registered and 20% unregistered birth. Most probably po, itong 20% natin na unregistered birth, ito po yung mga part ng IP sector natin na mga samabadyaw na wala pong capacity to register their young ones and actually themselves also. Common reasons na bakit hindi po nakapag-register ang ating mga samabadyaw communities dito sa atin, mainly because wala po silang extra income. Karamihan po sa kanila ay may income lang day to day. So ang priority po nila ay ang kanilang food, which is we understand also.
Napakahalaga po ng pagkakaroon ng birth certificate kasi mas madali silang maka-avail ng mga social services. Let's say for example, ngayon meron kaming educational assistance. We also have financial assistance for orphan. May mga medical assistance din for emergency, no? So kung meron silang birth certificate, mas madali silang maka-access kasi merong proof na sila talaga yon, tamang beneficiary, tamang tao yung nakaka-receive ng social services na meron yung ating opisina.
UNICEF is leading the advocacy component of this initiative and is working closely with government partners, including the local government of Malusu, to strengthen child protection system. The key focus is increasing children's access to birth registration services.
Impact po ng UNICEF, UNHCR, and the government of Japan dito sa amin sa munisipyo ay malaki po ang naitulong kasi very direct ang kanilang approach. Nagkaroon agad ng awards na 650 live birth, very direct na sa samabadyaw communities din po natin yun i-award for 2024. And for this 2025, we have MOA with UNHCR, UNICEF, and the government of Japan na ipagpatuloy po itong mga programa.
We are very thankful sa Japan government, UNICEF, and UNHCR kasi may katuwang yung aming local government unit sa pag-address ng issue on unregistered and late birth registration. Natulungan natin especially yung Badyaw constituents natin kasi yung program ay nakafocus talaga sa mga Badyaw. So mas nabigyan natin ng priority sila.
We're really thankful and we're really looking forward na mas dumami pa at ma-touch namin yung mga hindi pa nakapag-register at ma-encourage sila na maka-register na.